Hello and welcome to a unboxing Wednesday, and this time it's gonna be for some wheel spacers. Alright, let's begin. First of all, BONOSS wheel spacers are one of the best. If you're looking for some wheel spacers, go with BONOSS. Now, what are wheel spacers? These are the wheel spacers right there. Now, these do have active cooling. You see those grooves right there? It allows air to go through them and not heat up the spacer, which is perfect. Now, these do have a 10-year warranty, and they are hub centric, which means that it fits perfectly on your wheel, on your hub wheel, and your actual rim, your actual wheel. So you won't have any movement. That is what hub centric is right there. Now they do have a bunch of different sizes. They go by millimeter. These are 15 millimeter, okay, and these are 20. Why I have two different ones? Well, actually I have four of each. The thing is that I'm gonna show you the difference between a 20 and a 15, what it does in your car. Now here's my car. This is what a spacer does. My car has a 11-inch wheel. Actually, it's a 20 by 11. The thing is, it's a little inside the wheel well. It does have the wide body. So what I want this to pop out a little bit, just a tad, in order to be flush with the wheel well. And that's what the wheel spacer is gonna do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put two wheel spacers on one side and two wheel spacers on the other, different diameters, different millimeters, so that you can see the difference. Let's do that. So let's just go to the car, install them. I'm gonna show you how to install them. Real simple to install. Let's get to it. First of all, jack up the car, make sure it's secured, remove the wheel. Now get your spacer and install it. Install the provided hardware, tighten them to spec, and you got one. There it is. Once it's nice and tight, install your wheel back. And there it is. It's already on. Let me install the rest so that I can show you the difference. Let me show you real quick how it looks without the spacers. As you can see, the tire is tucked in a little bit. I need it a little bit out. I installed this side, 15 millimeter. As you can see, now it's flush with the fender. And this is with the 20 millimeter. As you can see, it's way past the fender. So that's what I don't want. So I'm going to be installing the 15 millimeter, pushing it back in, and it's perfect. So it depends on what you want. Either you wanted a wider stance or you just want it flush like I do. And there it is. Nice, flush. We're good to go. Perfect. And that's it. This is it for this video, guys. This is it for this unboxing, this Wednesday unboxing. Now if you want to get yourself some BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Far Away sent you, and I'll see you this coming weekend. And like always, God bless.